In this one I'm going to be doing a coil relocation on my Sportster 72. As you can see, it kind of looks out of place where it is at the moment underneath the tank. You can see the bracket, and I just want to tidy that up. So what we'll be doing is just a DIY coil relocation bracket, and that's going to mount onto the horn bracket. You can purchase these coil relocation brackets online, however they don't incorporate the stock horn bracket, so you're going to have to do a horn relocation. I don't want to do that, so what we're going to do is just make a DIY coil bracket that's going to mount on top of the horn bracket. So first thing to do is to remove the bracket. Alrighty, so what I've got to do is just unwrap this wiring loom so I can get the wire which plugs into the back of the coil to feed through here, and I can't do that as obviously it's wrapped up to where it was mounting just here. So I'm going to start off by cutting all these cable ties. That's just going to feed through there. So now I'm just going to wrap the wiring up in this underbody tape, and it's a woven canvas tape, so it's not electrical tape, which will leave a gooey residue over the wiring. Now I've just got to wrap this piece up. I just need to zip tie the cable back up. So the next thing to do is to install the DIY bracket onto the back of the coil. Alrighty, now let's fix that to the horn bracket. So first thing to do is to plug in the coil wiring. Now to put the horn back in place, and then this bracket on top of the horn like that. So what I had to do is just get some longer bolts, which I'm going to apply some Loctite to them. So as you can see with the coil relocation, the coil wire to the spark plug isn't quite long enough, where as you can see the coil wire to the rear cylinder is quite long. So I'm hoping I can just cut this shorter and then use the excess on the front cylinder where it will reach. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to have to purchase some new leads. So after cutting that rear coil lead, it still wasn't long enough for the front cylinder. So what my father-in-law is doing now is making some DIY coil leads out of some high performance coil cable that he had lying around the shed, along with some terminals and rubber boots.